Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have got an unboxing for Latest in Beauty, and yes, I've already done my Latest in Beauty for this month, which is here if you want to have a little look. But what you can do if you're subscribed, you can actually pick more items if you want that month, and you get it for the same price. So you can choose 3, 6 or 9 products, and it costs either £9, £15 or £18 plus P&P. Some months there's loads of things you want, other months there's maybe not as much. I always manage to find my items quite well, and I hadn't ever thought about getting a second box in the month, apart from my lovely friend Jill, aka Drop Dead Fred, sent me a little message last week, and she was like, oh, do you know, I think I'm just going to get another box. And I was like, oh, why did I not think of this before? So there was a couple of things that I really wanted to get, and it's just made me realise that normally when you get your things and then you're waiting another month, obviously new items come on every single day, and then you think, oh, they're going to be gone before my next selection comes round, and then it's just like, they don't need to be gone, you can just get another box. Plus as well, there was 20% off code. Was it 20%? Let me just think, 18, no, it would have been 10% off. I think it was member Oct, as in for October. And I think if you use that code, you got an extra 10% off. And so it actually came to £16.20 for 9 items. So I was really happy. So let me just show you what I have got, because I'm rambling on. So, so yes, this is my second Latest in Beauty box. Not everyone likes it, but I really like it. I enjoy it. So a card I've had 10,000 times before. La vie est belle, life is beautiful, social media things on the back. And it comes like this. So your items come enclosed just in a normal cardboard box, usually pink, bit of tissue paper. Oh, let's have a look. So, plenty of noodlies, so you can't even see what I've got. So let's get rid of those. And here we are. It's been freezing today, and we had snow this morning. Has it snowed for anybody else? It's just been so cold. It's only a couple of weeks ago it was like a heat wave, and yeah, we were in shorts and t-shirts, and now it's boiling. Not boiling, freezing. Okay, here we go. So let me dig in and I shall have a look and see what we've got. So I am wanting to try and get a good stash of face masks, and I'm going to just start doing a face mask series. So I think I've got enough now where I can get started. I have got a playlist called, I think it's Face Mask Friday. I'm probably going to change that, because obviously I'm going to try and just upload them, and it's not always going to be on a Friday. So we'll think of something. Face mask fun, I don't know. Any ideas, pop them down below. So the first one I've got is by Patchology, and it's a milk peel 5-minute flash mask exfoliant so yeah, milk peel. I was reading it in French as well. So it's just one mask, and it's a sheet mask by the Fields. Is it a sheet mask? And it has lactic acid, fruit enzymes, coconut and soy milk. Directions, unfold the mask. Yeah, so a sheet mask there, so that's nice. That's my first thing. So you're going to see quite a few sheet masks, I'll just warn you now. Second thing is another Patchology flask mask. I can't speak. Flash mask. And so it is a hydrate mask, the ultimate thirst quencher. So it's got hyaluronic acid, vitamin B6 in that. So it's another sheet mask there. Next one I got was, again, you guessed it, another face mask by Patchology, another flash mask, 5-minute sheet mask. And this one is to illuminate, and it is the Real Glow Getter, and it has licorice extract and grapefruit seed. And I do know that licorice is a really good sort of brightening effect on the skin. So that's that one. And then the last one in this little set is another Patchology, the Zen Master Soothe 5-minute flash mask. aloe vera, cottonseed and schisandra berry. So there we go. So these are 4 separate items but 4 different masks. So I'll be really interested just to try all of those, and it's going to make me just start using them and get my videos done. So as long as you don't mind if these are like videoed on an evening with poorer light, although the light just now is a bit rubbish, then I'll do them, because I think it kind of puts me off filming on an evening when it's dark and things. But yeah, we'll just get them done. Also, because I usually wear glasses and not contact lenses, that's put me off filming my mask videos, because I don't want to stick a pair of contacts in just to film a face mask. But I think I might just wear my glasses because, well, I wear my glasses mostly and it's all about being real. And so yeah, let's just sort of be real about it. Lots of you guys, I'm sure, will wear glasses too, so we'll see how we get on and how we manage. And yeah, so watch out, videos coming soon. Now, I had a little scroll down back to a couple of boxes ago through the selections, and this had sold out and it's come back in stock, so it's always worthwhile looking back. And I've got this, I've already got one but I haven't used it yet, but it is a face mask by 111 Skin, and it's a biocellulose facial treatment mask. Now the reason why I picked this up is because this mask is worth £20 all by itself, and I haven't used it yet because it was obviously so expensive. Something's leaked in here. I've got something on it. So yeah, so now I've got 2. I shall use it, but yeah, I was trying to save it for a special occasion, but now I can see how it goes, make sure I don't have any bad reactions, and then if it works really well, I'll know that my other one will be perfect for a special occasion. So that's that mask. Next thing I've got, and this is an anti-aging CC cream, Nature Tint, 7-in-1 benefits. So can't remember picking this, but I must have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll see. And yeah, so it strengthens, enhances shine, softens, repairs, nourishes, and split ends. Oh, so it's for your hair. I think actually I do remember getting it. So yes, it's a hair care thing to make your colour last longer. So that's a really interesting product, and I've been really excuse me, getting a lot better now with my skincare, hair care, general body care, rather than just getting all makeup-y items. And yeah, so ooh, smells quite citrusy, quite limey. It smells really, really nice, so I am really excited to give that a go. And it is for coloured hair. So yeah, as I say, it's just to prolong the colour. I'm just choking. I'm just going to quick plug of my Pepsi Max. Not Pepsi. Equally bad for your teeth, but aye. So there we go. That's that. Next thing I've got, is this what's, oh, I thought this was going to be bigger. And it is the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Conditioner. I've had the sachets of this. There was a selection where you got 5 sachets as one item, and I really, really liked it. So I thought I'd get the bottle. I did think it was going to be a big bottle, like a full-size bottle, but this will be handy just to keep in the shower with me. It's 75 mils, so actually that's quite good. I find the sachets really difficult to open in the shower once my hands are wet. I always have to open them before I go in. So yeah, that's a nice little bottle. Next thing I got was, oh yeah, Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer Base. So yeah, a little primer, and it's meant to be illuminating. Let's get in. Again, this is smaller than what I thought, but actually primers go a long way. So that's it there, and it is a nice brand. And how many mils are in there? I don't know. It doesn't look many. Looks about, so 7.5 mils. Let's see if it's open. We'll try a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh. Actually, that's the colour, and it's quite pinky. So it has a slight colour to it. It is a bit glowy. So that'll be, maybe give that a go and see what that's like and let you all know. Again, it's just something different to try. There's a little freebie, another perfume. This looks very bashed. I'm not quite sure what's happened. I got this in my other box this month. I didn't try it last time because I think I had perfume on. So let's give it a go and see what it's like. If I can get it out the box. Oh, there we go. So it is a little sprayer. So yeah, so it's by a layer. Eau de Parfum. And let's see. Oh, it's not bad. Actually, it's quite pleasant, and it's got a really good spray on it. It's a really fine mist. Yeah, it's nice enough. It'd be fine for work or something like that. So yeah, just to keep in your bag if you want a little freshen up. So that smells nice. Right, and then this is the main reason why I got my extra box, and it is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Now, I have never had this, but all I've ever heard is good things about this cleansing balm. I am really loving cleansing balms just now. I've had quite a few, and but as I say, I've never had the Elemis one, so I'm really interested to try it. I'm loving the Eve Lom one that I've got at the moment. I'm using that, which is divine. I've also been using the Body Shop, I think it's a chamomile and something cleansing balm. It's quite oily, but it's great at taking all your makeup off. So yeah, I'm just loving it, and I'm sort of doing a lot of double cleanses and things, and blah, listen to me like I know what I'm talking about. So let's see, I'm just gonna, so it's really thick, and oh, it smells so nice. It's quite a similar scent to the Eve Lom one. It feels a bit thicker than that, but oh, I can't wait to try it. So it smells gorgeous. So my skin should be amazing with all these masks and all this extra skincare. So there we go. So yeah, just to run down quickly, I got the luminizing primer from Dr. Brandt, the Elemis cleansing balm, the little freebie perfume, the Aussie hair treatment, plus another CC cream hair treatment for your hair, which is something I've never tried, so we'll give that a go. The 111 Skin very expensive face mask, and then this other pack of 4 sheet masks. So each one of these is an individual item. That's your lot. So short and sweet, bit rambly as always, but it doesn't matter. It's just still cold, but it's brightened up, and that's it. So just remember, you know what I'm going to say, be nice to one another, spread a smile, be kind, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye guys.